Q&A sites are a type of social site where people can ask questions. Other members of the community will attempt to answer them. They're like forums, but more structured. Threads on forums can sometimes go all over the place. Community members get into arguments and can lose the plot. On an answer site, they have to answer the question. You can usually comment on someone else's answer, so there is an element of discussion, but it's much more focused. Q&A sites often have a voting mechanism. People can vote for the best questions and answers. Here are some of the more popular Q&A sites: Yahoo Answers, Quora, Stack Exchange. Yahoo Answers is the oldest one on the list. Sometimes you find some great questions and well-reasoned answers. Often, the questions are terrible and the answers are wrong, insane, or useless. So it's quite like a forum. Quora is more of a professional site. You'll find a good selection of intelligent questions and answers from industry experts. Stack Exchange is actually a network of Q&A sites. It covers a diverse range of topics. You can find sites for TV shows, engineering, gaming, programming, and server administration. Now, they don't cover all topics. The topics tend to be very technical or geek-friendly. A really cool feature of Stack Exchange is that they track the most commonly asked questions. This makes it easy to zoom in on the biggest problems in your niche. We'll take a quick look at Yahoo Answers and take a look at some of the questions and answers on that site. Sometimes you need to read the description to discover what people are actually asking. For instance, this question doesn't mean anything. WordPress development doubt? But if we click on the link, we discover what he's asking. He's actually asking what languages and technologies he needs to learn. He already knows HTML, CSS, and PHP. He knows he will also have to learn JavaScript. The top answer gives a bunch of really good suggestions. He gives a list of people to follow on Twitter. We should make a note of these names so we can follow them too. Here are the common questions I can see. What do I have to learn before I can write WordPress themes? How can I convert a PSD Photoshop file to a WordPress theme? How are WordPress themes made? How can I customize an existing WordPress theme? How can I create a WordPress theme to match an existing site? How can I convert themes from a different CMS to WordPress? You'll find a lot of topic ideas in these question sites. You can take the concepts from Amazon and Wikipedia and use them to do a deep search. It would be very time consuming, so it's better to start with the most important concepts. You can always come back later and do some more research.